Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. So today I'll be talking to you about turmeric milk or turmeric latte. It has a bucket load of benefits and you can drink it any time of the year, but it is especially beneficial when the weather is cold or when you're having a cold or when it's raining, because it prevents cold, it prevents throat pain, and it prevents cough, along with many more benefits which I'll be talking to you about. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned, and if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up, and let me know that you like my content so that I'll be making more of such content. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I just used this milk just because I had it, but you can use any sort of milk that you want. I'll put down in the description box the different kinds of milk and you can use any of them. So I encourage you to use fresh turmeric. Over here I'm using turmeric sticks just for the satisfaction of knowing that it is not adulterated in any sort of way, because turmeric is actually a light color, and the store-bought turmerics, most of them are bright in color, in which case color can be added to it. So I encourage you to use the organic turmeric. So adding a little bit of pepper to your turmeric milk is actually very important, because it's proven to enhance the properties of turmeric in your body in a faster manner. So cinnamon is actually optional in this drink, but you can add it as it has many benefits, as I told you in my cinnamon tea. You can also add ginger to this drink. You can add ginger powder if you don't have fresh ginger. It is very important to add that if you have a cough or a sore throat. And finally, honey is there to top it all, because it has its own benefits and properties. I will write it all down in the description box, so please take a look. So in order to break the cinnamon sticks, you need a pounder. If you don't have a pounder, you can use a hammer, I suppose, but be cautious, because turmeric does leave a stain, and you need to wash everything immediately after you use it. That includes the vessels and the pounder and anything that you touch turmeric with. Wash it immediately after you use it, otherwise you'll have a yellow stain forever. So in this drink you just need a little bit of turmeric. That's what I'm showing you over here. It's just a tiny piece of turmeric that I used, and I just crushed it and made it into a powder, and I used that powder in the drink. That was about it. It's actually fairly easy to crush, and once it's crushed it looks like this. Then all you have to do is combine everything together and put it on simmer for about 5 minutes or so, and your drink is done. I put down the quantity of everything that I used in the description box. So I have used little turmeric, as you know, but if you want it to be stronger, you can add more turmeric to it. And if you are using the fresh turmeric root, the color might be a little stronger and little more yellowish than the dry turmeric root that I have used right now. So I'm just going to tell you a few of the many benefits of turmeric. It helps with breathing difficulties, it helps with liver disorder, it boosts your immunity, it prevents infection, it soothes abdominal pains, it helps with cough and cold, it prevents heart diseases, it helps with cancer, it's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it improves arthritis, it helps with depression, it heals ulcers, It lowers cholesterol, and always, if you're taking cholesterol tablets, do not have a lot of turmeric, especially in this sort of a manner. So always remember, honey works best when it is added into something warm and not when it's hot. So as soon as you put off the stove, wait for about 5 minutes till the milk gets a little warm, and then you add your honey and mix it up. And there you have it, a cup of turmeric milk. Drink it while it's warm. So as always, until next time, don't forget to live life and love life. Bye.